Seasons. The Earth goes through different seasons each year. A season is a time of year that brings specific weather and changes in nature. There are four main seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season is special in its own way, with different temperatures, activities, and changes in nature. Let's explore the beauty and uniqueness of each season. Spring is the season of new beginnings. After the cold and dark winter, the days start to get longer and the weather becomes warmer. The snow melts and the flowers begin to bloom. Trees grow new leaves and animals come out from hibernation. Birds return from their long journey south, filling the air with their songs. Spring is a time of renewal. The world feels fresh and alive again. People enjoy spending time outside in spring. Many people plant gardens during this season. They grow flowers, fruits, and vegetables. The weather is not too hot or too cold, making it perfect for walks, picnics, and bike rides. Spring rains help the plants grow, and the grass turns green again. Spring is a colorful season, with flowers in shades of pink, yellow, and purple. Next comes summer. Summer is the hottest season of the year. The sun shines bright, and the days are long. Children have their school holidays, so summer is a time for fun and relaxation. People enjoy going to the beach, swimming in the ocean, or having barbecues in the backyard. The warm weather also means that people can wear lighter clothes like shorts and t-shirts. During summer, the days are filled with sunlight. People often travel or go on vacations during this time. They visit new places, explore nature, and spend time with family and friends. Summer nights are warm and pleasant, perfect for stargazing or sitting around a campfire. In many places, summer also brings festivals, fairs, and outdoor concerts. Summer is a joyful and active season. After summer, autumn arrives. Autumn is also known as fall because it is the time when leaves fall from the trees. The temperature starts to cool down, and the days get shorter. The leaves on the trees change color, turning red, orange, and yellow. This is one of the most beautiful sights of autumn. The air feels crisp and fresh, and many people enjoy taking walks to admire the colorful trees. Autumn is the season of harvest. Farmers gather crops like apples, pumpkins, and corn. It is a time for celebrating the fruits of the year's hard work. In many countries, people celebrate autumn with festivals that include food, music, and fun activities. Halloween is also a popular holiday in autumn, where children dress up in costumes and go trick-or-treating. As autumn ends, winter begins. Winter is the coldest season of the year. In many parts of the world, it snows in winter. The trees lose their leaves, and the ground is often covered in snow. Winter days are short, and the nights are long. People wear warm clothes like coats, scarves, and gloves to protect themselves from the cold. Winter is a magical season for many people, especially because of the holidays. Christmas, Hanukkah, and New Year's are celebrated in winter. Families come together to share meals, exchange gifts, and enjoy each other's company. For children, winter is a time for building snowmen, having snowball fights, and ice skating. Some people also enjoy skiing or snowboarding in the mountains. Even though winter can be cold and dark, it has its own special beauty. Snow-covered landscapes can be peaceful and quiet. The cold weather also gives people a chance to stay indoors, relax by the fire, and drink hot chocolate. Winter reminds us to slow down and enjoy the simple things in life. Each season brings its own joys and challenges. In spring, we see new life and growth. Summer is a time of warmth and fun. Autumn is a season of beauty and change, while winter brings cold, but also a sense of togetherness. The changing of the seasons reminds us of the cycle of life. Nothing stays the same forever, but each season has its own purpose and beauty. In addition to the four main seasons, some places have different seasonal patterns. For example, tropical regions near the equator don't have four distinct seasons. Instead, they have a wet season and a dry season. During the wet season, it rains a lot, and the rivers and plants get plenty of water. The dry season is sunny and dry, with little rain. Both seasons are important for the balance of nature. Seasons affect not only the weather, but also how we live our lives. They influence the clothes we wear, the activities we do, and even the food we eat. For example, in winter, people often eat warm, hearty meals like soups and stews. In summer, people enjoy lighter foods like salads and fruits. The seasons also affect farming and agriculture. Farmers plant and harvest crops according to the season, ensuring that we have food to eat all year long. The changing seasons also have a big impact on our mood and energy levels. Many people feel happier and more active in the spring and summer when the days are longer and the weather is warm. In autumn and winter, people may feel more tired or prefer to stay indoors. This is natural because our bodies respond to the amount of sunlight and the temperature around us. In conclusion, the seasons are an important part of life on Earth. Each season brings changes in weather, nature, and activities. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter each have their own special beauty. Whether it's the fresh blooms of spring, the sunny days of summer, the colorful leaves of autumn, or the snowy landscapes of winter, every season has something to offer. The cycle of the seasons reminds us of the passage of time and the beauty of change.